Hello everyone, welcome back. Getting a higher amount of deliverability, landing more in inbox, and higher percentage of opt-in rate is a dream of every email marketer. And in today's video, I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com, gonna show you how you can exactly make your dream into a reality with Doplac.com's advanced SMTP routing feature. So go to email marketing, click on campaign to create your first email campaign, and just create new campaign. Give your campaign a name. I'm giving it test campaign. Okay, and here it is. So if you use single SMTP and send a bulk amount of email from the single SMTP, then it creates a lot of pressure on the SMTP SMTP server, and ended up landing your email in the spam folder and getting a very low deliverability and open rate. So when we're sending a bulk amount of email, and if you want to get a higher amount of deliverability, use our advanced SMTP routing features. It is a feature that will allow you to use multiple SMTP providers to send a single email campaign, and that will help you to get a higher amount of deliverability and more inbox. So when we're choosing SMTP routing, then it will show how many SMTP already connected to your Doplac.com account, as I have already 2 SMTP server connected. So it's showing here. You can choose as many SMTP you want to add in the single campaign. You can do it, but you have to connect your SMTP to your Doplac.com account. I have 2 SMTP at this moment connected, so it's showing here. So I'm gonna choose 2 of them. Now I'm gonna choose from email, from name already given here. I'm gonna choose the from name, from email, from here, from this SMTP. Okay. Now I have to set how many percentage of email of this campaign should send each SMTP. I'm going to choose 50% from both. 50% from the first one, 50% from the second one. So the total email, 50% will send from the first one, and second 50% will be sent from the second SMTP provider. Okay, if you want to add any reply email, you can do it here, but I'm not going to add any reply email at this moment. At your subject line, don't forget to add the dynamic tag. It helps you to make your every email unique and help you to land more in inbox. And if you want to use any preview text, then you can do it here, but I'm not going to add any preview text. Let's just save and continue. Choose your contact list. If you want to accept any specific tag from the list, then you can do it just by clicking here, but I'm not going to accept anything here. And here it is one of the most important thing, your sending limit. You can choose your sending limit, and it's help you to, and it will define your email where will be sent. How many email you want to send in every minute, you can choose from here, but I think 20 default is the perfect, so I'm not going to choose anything. So 20 is perfect for me. And if you want to use our AdWords testing, you can do it here. And if you don't know how to use our AdWords testing, I'm going to add a video to the I button or in the description below. You can check it out. Okay, so I'm not gonna test at this moment. I'm not gonna use actually AdWords testing feature. I'm just gonna save and continue. Okay, it will land you on our email template builder, email template library. You can choose from our kind of ready to use email template, or if you want to actually build your own email template from scratch, you can just click start from blank and it will land on our email template builder. But I'm gonna choose a pre-made email template. So I'm gonna choose this one. It will land on our email template builder. You can edit the email template to add your brand bias, or if you want to delete anything, or if you want to add anything, you can do everything from here. But I'm not gonna change anything. I think everything is perfect for me. And from here, you can send a test email to check out everything is working properly or not. Okay, then save and continue. And when your email campaign is ready, then you can send. If you want to send it immediately, you can just send it. Just click on publish to send your email immediately. Or if you want to save it as a draft, you can do it. And once again, you can send a test email to check out once again everything working properly or not. And if you want to schedule it for later, just click on schedule it. And when we're clicking on schedule it, you have to choose the time, you have to choose the date when your email campaign today starts sending. There is one of the most important thing, actually sending the right email at the right time is the crucial thing to get a higher amount of open rate and deliverability. So you can choose the specific day, specific time, even specific time range based on your perspective. So it will help you to land more in inbox and get more open rate. So I think every single day would be perfect for me. So I'm not going to choose anything, but you can choose whatever day which is perfect based on your audience. And you can also choose the time range. You can set the time zone. And here it is once again, you can save as a draft, send a test email, and when everything is ready, just click on schedule for later. And it's done. And it's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any feedback or any question, leave them in the comment below. And stay tuned for more informative video from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy. And thank you for watching.